Hi guys, it's Dom here from City Warmth in Brighton, and in today's video we are looking at the basic use of the EPH CP4 version 2 and how to program automatic time settings. Let's get into it. Just like the CP4, the version 2 has automatic manual and off modes, and you choose which mode you want by toggling through them. The mode displayed on the screen is the mode the thermostat is in. The big bold number in the centre of the display is always the temperature the thermostat is sensing around itself, your room temperature. The unit is a thermostat. As a quick one, the off mode, see it says they're off there on the screen, means the heating won't come on, but it does have an inbuilt frost setting of 5 degrees. So if your thermostat sensed that your home had dropped below 5 degrees, it would bring the heating on to protect your home's pipes and other items from freezing. Yay. In manual mode, it says man on the screen, and you are in control of what temp you want by toggling up or down through the numbers. You can either press OK to confirm your choice or leave it for 5 seconds, and it will set that choice for you. It will then stay at that temperature permanently, unless you change it yourself. And if you're going to live in the manual mode, make sure you set it low enough at night that it won't come on. Or if it does come on, you're okay with the boiler firing up at 2 AM because it's that cold. If the flame is displayed on the screen, it means the heating is on. If the flame is not displayed, it means that the heating is either not on or the target room temperature has been achieved. Now, should the room temp drop again, the flame will reappear and the boiler will fire up again. The automatic mode runs pre-programmed time settings that you have put in to heat your home. Let's go through putting those in together now. Press the program button, and on the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see 6 numbers appear. There will be a flashing box around the number 1, and the time will also be flashing. This is the first setting for bringing your heating on in the morning. Using the plus and minus button, you can change the time to when you want the heating to come on, and press the OK to confirm your choice. Then choose the temperature you want, then press OK again. Number 2 will be flashing, which is when you want the heating to go off. Choose a time, press OK, then choose a temperature, press OK. OK, this is the slightly confusing bit. This temperature isn't an off temperature, it's a temperature. The 6 settings are times throughout the day, and you're choosing a temperature for each time. There isn't an off as such. If you don't want the heating to come on, choose a temperature that's low enough that it won't come on. And this is even more important with the nighttime setting. When you get to period 6, make sure the temperature is low enough that your boiler won't fire up at 3 AM, and if it does fire up, you'll want it to, because the property will be that frigging cold. So go through and input times and temperatures for all 6 time periods, and when you're done, choose the auto setting. Now make sure it says auto on the screen, people, and you're good to go. The thermostat will then run the program you just put in. If you want to know about how you can boost your heating, check out our other video in the playlist on boosting your CP4 version 2. It's a really quick video for a really quick topic. Remember, the thermostat will only do what you tell it to, so make sure you leave it in the mode you want, auto, man or off. And that is the basics of using your new stat. It's a good one, people, and I'm glad you now know how to control the heat in your home. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe to stay up to date with any other homeowner help videos we upload. And as always, thanks for watching and see you again soon. Bye.